Look at this. Can you guess this player? This one who is running into the box. He is a centre back. Well, you may think this could be a corner or free kick scenario, but no, it's a free play where this centre back joins attack by rotating with centre midfielder. Again in this clip, you can see the centre back around the opponent box helping out his teammates in attack. This is what Mainz players are doing. Mainz are currently third in Bundesliga with 44 points in 25 matches. Last season, Mainz finished 13th in Bundesliga, just 2 places above relegation zone. But this season, they are doing miracles. So let's see how Bo Henriksen is managing Mainz such that they are heading to Europe next season. Mainz are using 3-4-2-1 formation. Mainz are doing those things well which are needed to properly execute the 3-4-2-1 formation. So to understand the Mainz principles, we have to divide it into 3 parts. First is how they build up and use 3-4-2-1 shape. Second is how free rolls of players enhancing their output. And third, how pressing is an important factor for them in defending. Talking about the first part, 3-4-2-1 shape is itself an advantage in build-up. When goalkeeper have the ball with 3 centre backs and 2 holding mid, he can move the ball around easily and can break the opponent's first pressing. With these 5 players in spot, goalkeeper have 2 players on flank for any long pass. If these wingers are marked by opponents, then the 2 false 9 can receive the ball in space between the opponent pressing. For example, in this clip, opponent are marking holding midfielders. So due to this, there is space ahead of opponent defense line where enable receives the ball. Mainz mostly find forwards by long passes from centre backs. That's why they are ranked second in long pass attempted. When there is space available, centre back carries the ball forward or they combine with midfielders to do the same. In this clip, Mainz defender Costa sees the space to carry the ball forward and passes it to Burkhardt to start the attack. Again in this clip, centre back Core have the space to move, so he links with midfielder Sano to receive the ball ahead. He carries the ball to final third to create a goal scoring opportunity. If we take a look on their mid block and final third actions, the free roll of players dominates here rather than the robotic duties. Mainz players use the wing area to move the ball into the final third. They overload the one flank and then change the flank to attack from the other side, which is the biggest advantage of this formation. Look at this clip. 5 Mainz players are on the left wing overloading the opponents. Now centre forward changes the flank, right wing receives the ball and cross it with 5 players in the box to score. Again in this clip, Mainz in attacking third changes the flank, which isolates Mainz players in 2v2 on the flank. Saib crossed the ball into the box, which led to a goal. In the final third, Henriksen wants more and more players to join the attack. Here, the understanding between centre backs and midfielders works very well. In open play, when Mainz rotate the ball around the opponent box, then there are times when centre backs leave their positions to join the attack and go further in attacking. So, to maintain the balance, midfielders drops to their positions so that they won't be exposed to any counter attack. For example, in this clip, Core wins the ball, carries it and passes it to teammate and he further joins the attack, something similar to Bastoni in Inter. In this clip, Bell moves around the opponent box in attack, joins the centre forward for any possible delivery in the box. So to maintain the numbers, holding mid Sano drops back to his position to cover the space. Again in this clip, Core receives the ball in box area. He passes the ball to Lee, who cuts it back for Burkhardt to score. Jurgen Klopp introduced pressing when he was the head coach of Mainz, and now Bo Henriksen is using this approach as a key factor in defending. Mainz are using pressing to win the ball back. When they lose the ball, they instantly press opponent, closing out all the options to win the ball back. Although this sometimes results in foul due to high aggressiveness of defenders. Look at this clip. When they lose the ball in attack, 2 players are closing the passing options and another player press opponent to win the ball back. When opponent have the ball, then Mainz press opponents in such a way to force them in the center, and due to 3-4-2-1 shape, there are too many Mainz players in the center, opponent lose the ball. Even though Mainz midfielder press high, leaving space behind, Then defenders are ready to press opponents when they receive the ball in between the lines. For example, in this clip, Mainz players are forcing the play in the center where defenders press high and Mainz wins the ball due to overload in the center. Again in this clip, Mainz players are pressing high which leaves space in midfield. Now Musiala receives the ball and Mainz defender take on him to stop the play. It's a great approach to press opponents harder when they receive the ball in these areas. Otherwise, if they receive the ball freely, then they can punish you with a good pass. That's why they have most tackles and interceptions in mid-block. Again in this clip, Olise receives the ball in space, but Mainz defender instantly press him to win the ball. In defensive third, Mainz defend with a 5-4-1 shape. 5 defenders covered by 4 midfielders and Burkhardt playing as a target man to receive the ball for any counter attack. When they win the ball in defending, then one player makes the run on each flank to receive the ball for counter attack. Here, after winning the ball, one player makes the run in space to carry the ball into the final third, which results in a goal. Again in this clip, after winning the ball, midfielder passes it to Burkhardt and one player is making the run forward to receive a long pass. But this time, it didn't work out. Again, after winning the ball in defense, winger receives the ball in space on the flank, which lead to a great chance. Overall, Mainz are playing exceptionally well, and what do you think about it? Comment below. Leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for the watching.